Children, right now we are starting with another concept, that is work, energy, and power. Now, in this chapter, we are learning first the term that is work. Now, as you all know, the term work means that we do in daily life from morning till evening. But many people do not understand what is the meaning of work in physics. Actually, the meaning of work in physics is somewhat different from that we do in daily life. That is, whenever force, you know what is force, a push or a pull is called as force. So whenever force is applied on a body and that force produces displacement, then a work is said to be done. As you can see from definition here on the board, here it is written: when a force produces displacement in a body, work is said to be done. That means two terms are required for this: force and displacement. So from here the formula of work becomes force multiplied by distance. Just to see on the board there it is written W equal to F into S. So W implies here work, F represents force, and S represents the displacement of the body. So whenever a force displaces a body by some distance, work is said to be done. Now this work depends on the magnitude of force. Now let us discuss about the work that we do in daily life. In that case, the work which we are doing, that is totally different from that we deal in physics. Now the work in physics is depending on force applied. Now the simplest example, that a pulley which carry load on the head, which we hire on the railway platform to carry our load, that do work for us and we accordingly pay to him. But what the physics says, according to physics, no work is done by the coolie when he carries load on the head. Similarly, a watchman guards our house and sits there for the whole day, but physics says that no work is done by the watchman. Now the reason for these two examples we will discuss later in this chapter. So a formula from here, we have W equal to F into S. SI units will be the units of force and displacement multiplied together, that is Newton into meter. So we have, there it is written in the blue letters, Joule is the unit of work. Joule equal to 1 Newton into 1 meter. Similarly, 1 dyne equal to 1 dyne into 1 centimeter becomes 1 erg. So this erg becomes the CGS unit of work. Just copy down from the board. All the things are clearly written there. So children, now let us recall again the definition of work. Work is said to be done when a force produces displacement in a body. Work is done only when a force produces displacement. That means if we apply a force but displacement is not produced, then no work is said to be done. Now the units of work we have seen, that SI unit is Joule, that is 1 Newton into 1 meter, and CGS unit is erg, that is 1 dyne into 1 centimeter. These are the units of work, and obviously it has no direction, so it is a scalar quantity. Work is a scalar quantity. Now we need to find out the relation between the two systems of units. That is, we have to find the relation between Joule and erg, that is SI unit and CGS unit. So for this, we see here on the screen 1 Joule, we have 1 Joule equals to 1 Newton into 1 meter. That means 1 Newton when multiplied by 1 meter give us 1 Joule. Now we know that Newton is the unit of force. 1 Newton equal to 10 power 5 dynes. That is 1 lakh dynes makes 1 Newton. So this Newton is equal to 10 to the power 5, or you can write 1 followed by 5 zeros. So 10 power 5 dynes equal to 1 Newton and 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. When we multiply them together, we get 1 followed by 7 zeros, dyne centimeter. That is 10 power 7 dyne centimeter. In all, it gave us erg, that is dyne into centimeter becomes erg from CGS unit. So 1 Joule equal to 10 to the power 7 erg. As you can see in the last, we have given this relation. Also, we need to define the units of work. Now in SI system, you can see on the top the two systems of units are defined, that is joule and erg. We have defined these two. First, let's talk about the SI unit of work, that is joule. How we define joule? 1 joule equal to 1 Newton into 1 meter. So very clearly, when 1 Newton force displaces a body by 1 meter, we say that 1 joule of work is done. Or in other words, 1 joule of work is said to be done only when 1 Newton of force displaces a body by 1 meter. Similarly, in CGS system, 1 erg of work is said to be done when a force of 1 dyne displaces a body by 1 centimeter. So these are the two systems of units. Now you can pause the video and you can copy down the notes.